Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your go-to destination for sophisticated home decor and interior design inspirations. As the seasons shift, we are exploring how to breathe new life into your winter crystal ornaments by repurposing them into stunning spring sun catchers. In this video, we will guide you through creative techniques to capture the light and elevate your window displays for a refreshed aesthetic. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest design projects. To create a sense of movement, suspend your crystals at varying heights using clear monofilament line. This technique allows the ornaments to appear as if they are floating within the window frame. As the spring sun hits the faceted glass, it will cast a dance of rainbows across your entire room. Experiment with different crystal shapes to create a truly dynamic and layered visual experience. Combine the cool sparkle of crystal with the warmth of vintage brass rings for a refined, eclectic look. You can secure the crystals within the center of the hoops to create a structured yet airy ornament. This juxtaposition of materials adds a touch of classic elegance to a modern spring window display. The brass frames help define the light, creating a focused glow that enhances the crystal's natural brilliance. Incorporate a modern touch by building minimalist wire structures around your existing crystal pieces. Gold or silver craft wire can be bent into triangles or hexagons to house your favorite ornaments. These geometric shapes provide a contemporary edge that perfectly complements the traditional shimmer of the glass. It is a simple way to update the silhouette of your decor while maintaining a sophisticated feel. Replace standard hooks with delicate silk ribbons in pastel spring hues like lavender, mint, or soft blush. The soft texture of the ribbon provides a beautiful contrast against the hard, sharp edges of the faceted crystals. As the breeze moves through an open window, the ribbons sway gently, adding a romantic and fluid element to the display. This approach softens the overall look and ties the window treatment into your spring color palette. Integrate the beauty of nature by pairing your crystals with sprigs of dried eucalyptus or pressed spring flowers. You can bind the greenery to the top of the crystal ornament using fine floral wire for a seamless look. This combination brings an organic, earthy feel to the high-shine brilliance of the glass ornaments. It bridges the gap between indoor luxury and the blooming outdoor world of spring. Create a rich, textured look by hanging a dense row of crystals along the top edge of your window. By clustering the ornaments together, you create a valance effect that filters the light into a concentrated shimmer. This technique works exceptionally well in breakfast nooks where morning light is most prominent. The overlapping facets create a complex interplay of light that feels both opulent and inviting. Extend the length of your sun catchers by adding strands of tiny glass beads above and below the main crystal. Using beads that match the spring sky or garden colors can create a gradient effect that draws the eye upward. This added detail gives the ornaments a more handcrafted and artisanal quality. The extra beads provide more surfaces to catch the light, resulting in a fuller glow. For a coastal or rustic aesthetic, mount several crystal ornaments onto a piece of weathered driftwood. The driftwood serves as a natural horizontal bar that can be hung across the width of the window. This setup allows the crystals to hang in a structured row, while maintaining a relaxed, organic vibe. It is an excellent way to repurpose natural finds alongside your high-end crystal decor. Organize your crystals based on their size or clarity to create a visual ombre effect across your window. Start with smaller, daintier pieces on one side and transition into larger, more dramatic ornaments on the other. This structured arrangement provides a sense of order and intentionality to your spring decor. The gradual change in scale creates a sophisticated rhythm that guides the viewer's gaze. Enhance the brilliance of your sun catchers by placing small mirror discs between the crystal segments. The mirrors will bounce the light back onto the crystals, doubling the amount of spectral flare in the room. This technique is perfect for windows that don't receive direct sunlight for long periods. It maximizes every ray of light to ensure your display remains radiant throughout the day. Focus on a single color of crystal, such as clear or pale champagne, to create a clean and high-end look. By removing color distractions, the focus shifts entirely to the quality of the light and the intricate cuts of the glass. This minimalist approach fits perfectly in a modern home that values subtle, refined details. A monochromatic display feels timeless and provides an understated elegance to any spring setting. Group your spherical ornaments into clusters of 3 or 5 to create the appearance of a single, larger installation. Use thin wire to interlock the hanging loops so they stay close together as a cohesive unit. This creates a focal point in the window that draws immediate attention and admiration from guests. We hope you enjoyed these ideas. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more home decor inspiration.